Thank you for reviewing my video. Today I'm changing the outer tire rod on my Mazda 3. This video will be on the passenger side, but it's the same process for the driver's side. First step is to remove the wheel, starting with the lug nuts. Then jack up the car. Move the tire out of the way. I normally place it beneath my Mazda. Remove the cotter pin. I use a pair of pliers. Remove the top outer nut with a 14mm deep socket and a ratchet. Remove the inner nut with a pair of pliers. Remove the old tire rod end, keeping count of how many rotations it takes for it to be released. In this specific video, it took me 23 rotations for it to be released, meaning with the new part, I'm rotating it back 23 times. You can see the old part being busted open. I purchased a aftermarket replacement. This one does not use a cotter pin and it does not need to be greased. Put the replacement in. Again, I'll be rotating it 23 times for it to be in place. Tighten the inner nut. Place it back in its original position. Tighten the outer nut with a deep socket. Tighten the inner nut with the pliers. Torque the outer nut. I set mine to 35 foot-pounds. Set the tire back on and that completes the job. Changing my tire rod in did affect my alignment. I went to my closest shop and had it realigned for $60. In the video's description, I list every tool used to complete this job. Please like and subscribe.